Hello everyone, I am Sonal Oswal, a counselor, handwriting analyst, and a Reiki Grandmaster. So, welcome back to the relationship series, pattern number 5. The pattern number 5 is the love hate relationship. Now, what exactly does a love hate relationship mean? So, when you are with people, you initially like them, but for some reason, you have anger towards the same person. Now, how do you see this? Where is it coming from? And how to change this? We will see all of it in this video. So, how do you check this in your handwriting? Now, if you write your letter O something like this, meaning a heart which has hooks on the right and on the left side. Now, this O means that there is this pattern, a love hate pattern within you. Now, how do you interact with such a pattern with people around you? Now imagine yourself with your friends. So, with your friends, initially you are really nice, a lot of love, care, and concern, but someday you suddenly just take a step back. You don't like them, you hate them, you want to sometimes even criticize them. This anger, frustration comes in. Then, again, after a few days and few months, you go back to love and care. So, this is a constant pendulum that you have with each and every friend that you have in your life. You do not restrict yourself to one particular person. Now, with this behavior, it makes it really difficult for people around you to trust you with their life problems or any basic conversation because they are scared. When will you have the outburst? They know you care for them, but they are still scared because of your mood swing and the pendulum. Now, coming to your family. Now, with your family, what has happened? You have grown up in a place where either you have siblings and you have seen a lot of comparison between your siblings, always a feeling that someone else is better than you, or even a feeling that you were not wanted. Now, because this came from your family, but at the same time, there was some bonding, attachment, care. So, this really hit your mind that the people who are really troubling me are the same people who even show love and care. So, how does this happen? So, understanding this, seeing this within your family, experiencing this since the childhood, you develop the exact same thing. The moment you want someone to be a part of your life, you pick up this behavior of love and hate. Now, coming to your partner. With your partner, this is one of the toughest pattern to handle. Why? Because the partner cannot even understand what this person wants. So initially they show that love, care, concern. Later they get really angry and pissed off because a slight comparison by the partner can trigger all the memories of childhood where they have been compared. So a slight comparison, a slight criticism, or a suggestion from a partner will take the form of hate. So instantly, this person gets angry and starts abusing, or might just give blackmail the partner of leaving. Why? Because that anger is coming out, the childhood string is coming out, and this continuously goes on. It can be on alternate days, it can be once a week, it can be once a month. Now, because of this pattern of yours making it really difficult for the partner to handle you, the chances of separation, breakups, and divorce is really high. Because initially the partner takes in for a year, for 2 years, but post that it becomes really taxing for the partner to take care of your mood swings. Now, this is strangely a little common from the past 2 3 years, but it's not a healthy thing to have because mentally you are never calm, mentally you are not stable, and because of your inconsistent mood swings and behavior, people around you find it very difficult to trust you. Now, how do you change this? Changing this is a very simple way of writing your letter O. A simple circle, no knots, no hooks, not open at all, but a simple circle and a daily practice of this will help you to come out of this pattern. Coming out of this pattern makes you mentally calm and stable helping you in your relationships to make them long term. So, these are the different patterns of our relationship. I hope you have seen the previous four also. If not, make sure you see them. If you have any questions, doubts, make sure that you do post it and we will get back. If you like this video, you find this informative, do share it with others so that a lot more people can benefit from this. So, thank you for watching and be safe and stay home. Bye.